Entonces ya tenéis primero paso de sevillana, ¿verdad? So now you have the basic Sevillana steps. So today, hoy vamos a ver de la pasada el cambio, ¿vale? Today we're going to look at the Sevillanas, the change part, transitions from the basic step. So first I'm going to do it, I'm going to show you the steps. I'm going to do with the arms. Vamos allá.
Golpe, golpe y 1, 2, 3. Nada más andar, ¿vale? Los pasos. Golpe, golpe y 1, 2. Giramos. Otra vez. Golpe, golpe y 1, 2, 3. Otra vez la última. 1 y golpe, golpe y 1, 2. Giramos. Okay, I'm going to do it from the side so that you see what I'm doing. Golpe y 1, 2, 3. Otra vez. So here, stamp, stamp y 1, 2, 3. Okay? Again, in the last time. Golpe, golpe y 1, 2, 3. Ya está. Miramos desde el principio el paseillo, que es lo que hemos hecho, the basic step of Sevillanas. It works 5 times, 5 veces. The basic and pasada y cambio. 1, 2, 3, giro. Para pareja. ¿Ok? Tía, tía. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Cualquiera. Cuenta. So, we can count as 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or we can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it doesn't matter. Okay, as long as you understand the compás de sevillanas I explained in previous video. Okay, so check it out if you don't understand, right? Everything falls in the count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It never goes in a different place, okay? So it's got a meaning with a number. If you don't know where to fall, then it's impossible to dance flamenco. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Even it's 6 one. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the dance is the same. And bam, bam. Y 1, 2, 3, giro. Otra vez. Desde el principio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Otra vez. Are you ready for first time? Tía, 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 na, 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 na. Primera, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. La última. Y 1, 2, 3. Ahora lo vamos a hacer al principio del pasillo 5 veces y pasada el cambio 1, 2, 3 y ahora cuando venimos aquí otra vez el pasillo de los bases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Okay, so it's maybe you can see now that how it works. It's always the basic step and change transition. So once you get this, you only need to get the new steps for the second one, the third one, and fourth one. That's it. Let's do it from the beginning until the el pasillo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one, the última, cambio. Pasada, 1, 2, 3, pasillo. Did you see that? ¿Ha visto? Otra vez por la última vez y ya vamos a ir a hacer haciéndolo con brazo, ¿ok? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pasada. Pasillo, base.
Okay, so now we're going to do the combination with the arms and hands movement. So the basic step, 5 times. And pasada, 1, 2, 3. And paseillo, the basic one again. Let's do it again. I'm gonna lift the skirt. Okay, so the transitions, the change. Pasada, golpe, golpe, and 1, 2, 3. You remember, right? Very good. Again. And then pasillo, the basic step again. Okay, so if you think about Sevillanas, it seems to be like, oh my god, it's too many steps, a lot of steps. But actually, if you divide it in and simply and clearly, if you get the information, then it's not that difficult. Okay, now let's look at it with arms. Basic step. 5 times. 5 veces. Despacito. Y pasada. Cambio. Otra vez el pasillo. Basic. Again. Otra vez. Lo miramos. Vamos allá. 2, 3, 4. Los brazos. Siempre por fuera. The arms. And then pasada en 1, 2, 3 y otra vez. Muy bien. Last time. Let's do it. Okay, the arm coming from outside and to the center. And pasada.